not in Monet's garden. We're in western Colorado. We're in another artist's garden. Let's go in around the side and take a look at the studio. Welcome to my studio. I'm Cedar Keshet and I create oil paintings. As you can see, I have lots of paintings in my studio. They're all waiting to go to their new homes. These unframed paintings are almost dry. Some were done in plein air and some were done in the studio. And plein air means that you've gone outside with all your gear and you're painting out there. It's always great. This is my plein air gear corner. Here's one of my pochade boxes. A pochade box is just an easel and a palette combined. Here's some paint, brush carrier, and lots of panels in their carrying cases. And of course, I couldn't do any of it without my backpack. That's where I put everything in before I go outside. Here you can see is some more storage. I've got a lot of panels here. These are all waiting to get painted on. It's very exciting. And here's some finished ones. They're also waiting to find their new homes. This easel has 3 paintings on it. The large one on top is being done in the studio. The 2 on the bottom are in plein air. The plein air ones were done to help inform me of lots of good information I can use when I'm painting a larger studio piece. Let's go over to the next area in my studio and take a look at another step that's really important in the painting process. I know it's not painting with a brush, but a sketch is a really important part of the painting. Here you can see there's a sketch of a hay bales. It's my blueprint for my painting. This is where I paint most of the time. I have a comfy mat so I can stand on it all day. Of course, my brushes and the tabouret for my palette. Here's my easel with a painting on it. And a lot of times, I'll take a photo and display it on my monitor. And when it's really hot in the studio, I put out paintings I did in the winter. It sort of mentally cools me off. Thank you everybody for coming on this quick video tour of my studio. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed sharing my studio space with you. And I hope someday you'll get to see my studio in person. Thank you very much for coming. Bye now.